cohorts are dynamic. Can we guarantee sticky determinative assignment? Once a user is exposed to a variant, they continue to see it even if they later drop out of the cohort, or are the cohort static? This is up to you. There's a couple different ways that you can set the options for how people are determined to be placed. So you can have things like, if you expect people to move in and out of cohorts, generally you want people to stay in the same variant. You don't want those variant jumpers as much as possible unless you have a good reason. So there are ways that you can ensure that. One, we allow for something called local evaluation versus in remote evaluation. You tell us what a user's properties are. You call out to our servers. We tell you what variant they should be in, and then we send that back to you. We also allow local evaluation where you do that all on device as you want. And by doing it particularly local, you can decide if you want to update the local evaluation if you do see a property change. If you want, you can also make another remote call out if you see a property change. So it's up to you how you want to configure that using local or remote. But we also do offer sticky bucketing so that if someone is in one group, they don't, and you expect them to change, they continue to see that variant. So it really depends, but we have a number of dials that you can use to achieve what you want here. But cohorts are dynamic. They will be dynamic.